I'm going to remove the flywheel. (15/16) socket. Remove the fan, and I installed my puller here. 19 mil. I'm gonna put a little pressure on it and put a pry bar there and hit it with a hammer. That's it. Don't lose your key. Alright, I'll remove the coil, the drain tube. I might remove the starter. I'm going to remove the carburetor. I'm going to remove the base of the motor, 6 1/2-inch socket. Alright, connecting rod broke. Governor. Bottom of connecting rod. And the camshaft. And it ruined the crank. It's all scored. This pops off. As you see, it's all scored. So to fix this motor, you need a new crankshaft and a connecting rod. If you like this video, press thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel, click below. Thank you for watching.